Welcome students to class 3 maths lesson 2 addition session 2.1. Let us look at the solutions of worksheet 5. I had shared worksheet 5 in the previous video. Question 1. Which is smaller? A part 1798 or 2504. Both are 4-digit numbers. We will compare the leftmost digit 1 and 2. 1 is smaller. 1798 is the smaller number. B part 3526 or 3562. Both are 4 digits. We'll start comparing the digits from the left side. Both have 3 in the first place, 5 in the second place. Then we go to the third place. The first number has 2 and the second number has 6. So 2 is smaller. Therefore, 3526 is smaller. Question 2. Which is greater? A. 9547 or 2543. Here again we'll compare the first digits. 9 is greater than 2. So 9547 is greater. B part 5236 or 5326. Both start with 5. So we go to the second digit, which is 2 and 3. 3 is greater than 2. Therefore 5326 is greater. Question 3. Put greater than, less than or equal to. The first one 897 and 852. Both are 3-digit numbers. We'll start comparing the digits from the left. Both have 8 in the first place. So we go to the second place. 9 and 5. 9 is greater. Therefore 897 is greater. B part 954 and 4263. We have a 3-digit number and there is a 4-digit number. So 4-digit number is going to be greater. 4263 is greater. C part 1018 plus 2 and 1020. 1018 plus 2 is 1020. Both are equal. Question 4. In each of the following, circle the A part greatest. Here the numbers are 4263, 5900 and 550. So we have two 4-digit numbers and one 3-digit number. So for greater number it has to be one of the 4-digit numbers. Now we look at the first digits. We have 4 and 5. 5 is greater than 4. The greatest number is 5900. B part. For the smallest number, we have 3 numbers here, 1020, 120, 210. 4-digit number, 3-digit number, 3-digit number. For the smallest, it has to be one of the 3-digit numbers. And then we will compare the first digits of the 3-digit numbers. We have 1 and 2. 1 is smaller than 2, so 120 is the smallest number. Question 5. In each of the following, arrange in ascending order. A part. The numbers are 7863, 7490 and 9999. We have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order is small to big. We have all the 3 numbers as a 4-digit number. So we will compare the first digits first. 7, 7 and 9. So now we have 2 7s. So we go to the second digits of the 7-digit number, which is 8 and 4. So 4 is smaller than 8. 7490 will be the first number. Then we have 7863 as the next number and 9999 as the last number. Then descending order. Numbers are 4523, 6603 and 291. Now we have two 4-digit numbers and one 3-digit number. So the greatest will be one of the 4-digit numbers. We'll compare the first digits of these numbers, 4 and 6. 6 is greater, so 6603 is the first number. Next we'll have the other 4-digit number, which is 4523, and lastly we will have 291. Question 6. Write the smallest and the greatest number of 3 digits using each digit only once. We have to make a 3-digit number and 3 digits are given to us. For smallest number, we will arrange in ascending order. The digits are 7, 5 and 9. So when we arrange them in ascending order, we will have 5, 7, 9. So that will make the number as 579. And when we make the greatest number, we will write these digits in descending order. That is 9, 7 and 5. The B part, 306. Now, here if we write in ascending order, what will we get? We will get 036. Now hold on. This is only a 2-digit number. So we will not do this. Now we will change the place. Let us look at this example. Now here we are not using it, but for reference I have put it back there. We will have to exchange the place of 0 and 3. So what we will do? We will write 306. This is the smallest number. Okay. Greatest number will be, for greatest we will arrange in descending order, which is going to be 6, 3, 0. So for greatest number there is no problem even with a 0. But for the smallest number we have to be careful. Question 7. Write the smallest and the greatest number of 4 digits using each of the digits only once. The A part, numbers given to us are 4, 2, 8 and 9. For smallest we will arrange in ascending order, which is going to be 2, 4, 8, 9. And for greatest we will arrange these digits in descending order, which is going to be 9, 8, 4, 2. B part, 7016. Now you remember for the smallest what did we do? We had exchanged the place of 0 with the next number in ascending order. So we will get 1067 as the smallest number, and the greatest number it will be 7610. Question 8. A village has 7894 males and 6015 females. Who are more in number, males or females? Now here we have 7894 males and 6015 females. Both are 4-digit numbers. We have to compare these two numbers. So we will compare the first digit, 7 and 6. So 7 is greater than 6. That means 7894 is greater. That means males are more in number. Topic for today, addition without regrouping. Note, the result obtained after addition is called the sum. And the answer of addition you can write it in 3 different ways. I will explain it as and when we do the sums. Now this is 3-digit addition which you already know. But let us still revise. While adding we start with the rightmost digit, that is the ones place. Here we have 8 plus 1 which is 9. Next column we have 6 plus 3 which is 9 again. And the hundredths column we have 3 plus 1 which is 4. So now let me write the answer in the number sentence form. That is 368 plus 131 is equal to 499. This is number sentence form of reporting the answer. Now we will do 4-digit addition. This is very similar to how we had done the 3-digit addition. Here also we will start with the ones column, that is the extreme right. Here we have 6 plus 2 which is 8. Then the tens column we have 1 plus 3, 4. Hundredths column 2 plus 1, 3. And thousands column 3 plus 2, 5. Like I had told in the previous example, number sentence form of reporting the answer, this will be 3216 plus 2132 is equal to 5348. Now you can report the answer in words also. In words we will write 5348. Supposing they give you an addition sum and they say report the answer in number sentence form, so you will use the first form. If the question says add and tell the answer in words, so you will use the second format that I have shown you. But if nothing is said, you will report the answer in figures like this. Answer 5348. Now let us do a worksheet to enhance our understanding. Now this worksheet I have given you 10 sums. Worksheet 2.1. Question number 1. Add together 561 and 217. Question 2. 726 and 152. Question 3. 4726 and 3152. Question 4. 2463 and 4314. Question 5, 7562 and 1237. Question 6, 5423 and 4571. Question 7, 4416 and 2541. Question 8, 7456 plus 2231. Question 9, write in columns and add. Write the sum in words. The numbers are 3113 plus 2231 plus 1155. Now here, these are all 4-digit numbers. You will write one below the other and then you will add, and then the answer you have to write in words. Remember the second format I had told? You have to write it like that. Question 10. Write in columns and add. Write the sum in words. 2413 plus 1124 plus 121. Here you will write in columns, but place the place values on top so that you don't make a mistake. Here you have to be very careful that you write the ones place of each number in the ones column, tens place in the tens column, and hundreds place in the hundreds column, and the thousands place in the thousands column. If you are able to follow this pattern of writing correctly, you will be able to solve this sum. I wish you good luck for the worksheet. Until we meet again, stay safe, stay happy.